drain outlets or channels must be designed to prevent moisture from penetrating under the floor system. To install the Altro safety floor to this clamping outlet, remove the grill cover and clamping rim before installing the flooring. Apply the moisture-resistant adhesive, in this case Ultrafix 19, to the subfloor and into the top section of the outlet. Place the floor back over the outlet and cut a small circle in the center of the drain. Carefully enlarge the circle and cut around the clamping rim screw holes. Replace the rim, clamping the floor into position. Replace the cover grill and weight the perimeter with sandbags until the adhesive is set.